No, me the fox, you know. Yeah, man, you know, I think set. Jano people, me I tell you. So basically, right here now, you see the overhead view. You don't know the drone view. You know, one part down in Manchester there where them say the water rise. You understand? Yeah, man. You don't know when rain fall. You see me? Water go in the surface but rise up after a time. But yo, Jano. Me nah lie, still from the aerial view, the water look pretty and blue, but Jano, I just sad say yo, the house them, nobody in the house them, you understand? Some of them, if you realize, them have to take out the stuff them and put on the top of the roof. Jano, it's sad still. You understand? But we're gonna play a piece of clip and make hear what a girl here say.
Make a video at the house over there, so let's just see the house again. I was going to somebody make a video of, but now the water come up. New river in Mandeville, I guess. New river, guys. Chat. See how somebody's video. How far it reach? I look up on it, I can't see it. Let me reach for the next side. Shit. The whole summer video there between us, so we can't see it.
Yeah, man, people. So basically, people, Zane, yo, let me tell you, some of them house here, yeah, man, some of them house are people. Like, them building at some area where, like, yeah, that thing said building at some river and something, like, me I tell you people. You see it, cause worse in a Manchester, St. Elizabeth, them place, enough of them house here, it's like, basically, our river, some water usually there like years ago, you know. It's just that you don't know the long drought and, you know, it kind of dry out the place and then people start build house on them area. But when rain fall, you actually see, cause look there. Look how the water rise up back and end up a cover the whole of the house them. You understand? I want serious thing, man. You see it, but me I play a next clip. Let me see one brother, you understand?
Yeah, this is it.
Pre the video.
Yeah, this is the storage scheme underwater. After the wicked Hurricane Melissa. Fuck up the place. Look here. More than 10 cars don't underwater. More than 10 cars don't underwater right now. More than 10. Plus what you not see. But cover underwater. Yeah.
Yeah, man, people. So, yo, Jano. But as me saying to people, enough of them place here is like them build literally in some settled waters place. Because look there. When rain fall, like, it's like, you know, when them build the place them in a like a hole. So it's like when the water come off of the hills or whatsoever, it just go right down there, so. You understand? And enough place in the St. Elizabeth, that's why you see the house them full out and, you know, because them house are building in some weird place where like a water, it's like a water bed them. You understand? Cause look there, look on that. Imagine this a scheme here. Nice house and everything. Everything damaged just you know. Everything in the house and look on the car then. The car they get knocked, you know. It wear water eye people. You man see a 10 car and you look. And you can't imagine seeing 10 car down there so. But watch it, 2, 3, 4, watch it. Enough, you know. But true, maybe some of them kind of very low. So the water just cover everything. You can't see the top. You understand? So I just say things to there people. You see it, cause yo, rough out there, man, rough out there. Cause this place come like a way they built to. And just say all the water and everything kinda cover up and thing. You see it? So I just one of them thing the people. You see me? Everywhere. Imagine you live all in them house here. And for say hurricane gone and water still in your house. And you can't do nothing about it. You understand? You have to just cause I dry them water. You have to go dry up right now, But for sure you people, look like when you check it, them house here literally built to me, remember, a road down here, so you have the road, and the water rise so far. Me I tell you people, if you're looking at the background video, the water actually cover the whole of the house them. I just say look a piece at top of the roof. You understand? So it's rough people, me I tell you. It's rough. Cause everybody would after the hurricane try to get themselves recover and every little thing. But them people it come like it not over for them at all. You see it not over for them people, me I tell you. Cause the water just rise more and more. Regular that thing say alright. After hurricane the water would have kinda dry up a little. This year one not dry at all. But it's an underground thing going. You understand? You don't know the water rise up back. But I feel like them houses just build the wrong place. You understand? Cause if the water just rise so and I cover them, almost cover them. Yeah man, something about a little land space right here, so you understand when it comes to water. Yeah man, you can see it too. Cause remember you saw how it get. Cause I forward up at the top road, Yeah man, cause the way this is the next day after. And you saw the water get higher. Yeah man, it a grow man. And look at the time, the sun are shining up people. But it's like the sun can't dry up nothing enough. You understand? So it's a serious situation, sad situation, people. Them people lose a lot. Yeah man, them lose a lot, man. But me not lie, still the blue water kinda look nice, but me just sad say boy, I wish them house never did it. And the water look like this. People could have take a little dive and swim on them someday. You understand? But it's rough. Yo, people, me I tell you, it's not a nice thing when you have a house and water just a rise around your house, And say everything I go mash up now, people. It's not a nice thing. Me I tell you that. Not a nice thing. If you say, you have your house and boom, water just cut forward and just soak everything. You have to go buy back this. Can I look like that person that house there? One of the house them. You see me? I'll show you which one of them. Over to the right. Wait. Yeah, I'm sure a camera over to the right. You see that one there? Yeah, that green one there will have like something on the top of it with clear plastic. Yeah. It look like it seem like the people them. But the people them like take out some of the thing them and put on the roof. You see it like them know. No, look like some sofa thing that. Yeah, man. But, me I tell you people, I wish the house them never there, so. God, the way me I look on the color of the water, the color pretty. Yeah, man. But it just sad say, yo, all of me and me live as saying people, yo, me I real locate, you know. I live at them place, man, me I tell you. I real locate. Cause, yo, imagine this happen on a regular base where water just rise from the ground. For them are, you know, one little rain fall and just do this. Them in a problem, brother, cause if you buy back all of them things there in your house, you know. I know nothing good that. If you lose so much things and then you have to go buy it back. You understand? Like you give people or so. So it's a sad thing, you see me? But me realize say, you know, you don't know the people. You have to move out of the house them and wait till the water you go down. But Jaja, rough out the people, me I tell you. You see it. But people, I tell you, respect to the artists them, the donors them, with the relief them in Jamaica. Yeah, me nah lie, the artists them forward out people. Yeah man, the artists them, really, me love what the artists them do support the people. Me understand, me love that. And the private company them and the international people them. It's a good look man, everybody forward for look out for Jamaica, you see me? Yeah. Cause me say, you know, government alone can't do it, you know. You understand? We need the people. Yeah, man, need the people, man. But people, we don't know, you know. I'm either fox, you know. That is it.